Understanding stone masonry, an essential skill in construction. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic in the English language, stone masonry. This term is not just a part of the language but also a window into a timeless craft. Whether you're learning English for professional reasons or just for fun, understanding terms like these can be incredibly enriching. Let's explore what stone masonry means and why it's so important. Stone masonry refers to the craft of shaping rough pieces of rock into accurate geometrical shapes, and then arranging them to form structures. It's a process that has been around for thousands of years, used in building some of the most iconic structures in the world. Stonemasons are skilled artisans who work with natural stone to create walls, buildings, and sculptures. This craft demands not just physical strength and endurance, but also a keen eye for design and detail. There are two primary types of stone masonry. 1. Rubble masonry. This type uses rough, uncut stones, arranged without a regular pattern. It's often used in rural areas and in historical restorations. 2. Ashlar masonry. In contrast, ashlar masonry involves carefully cut and shaped stones, laid in regular patterns. This type is common in more formal, urban structures and is known for its neat, elegant appearance. Stone masonry isn't just about building structures. It's about preserving history and culture. Many ancient structures that still stand today, like the pyramids of Egypt or the Roman Colosseum, are examples of stone masonry. This craft also represents a sustainable building practice, as it uses natural materials and can last for centuries. I hope this video has helped you understand the beautiful and complex world of stone masonry. It's a term that encompasses history, art, and engineering. Whether you're a language learner, a history enthusiast, or someone fascinated by construction, stone masonry is a term that connects us all to our past and to the incredible capabilities of human craftsmanship. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the fascinating aspects of the English language.